Welcome to Computer Code channel. Topic Round functions. Today we will discuss about round function, roundup function and rounddown function. Round function. The round function is a math and trigonometry function. The round in itself follows the general math rules for rounding the numbers. The Excel round function returns a number rounded to a given number of digits. The round function can round to the right or left of the decimal point. If the digit to the right of rounding digit is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, it will not change the rounding digit and the number will be rounded down. If the rounding digit is followed by 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, the rounding digit will be increased by 1 and the number will be rounded up. Return value, a rounded number. The number 2.6789 contains 4 digits after decimal. Now we want to round the value not before decimal but after decimal. Round to 1 decimal. The formula is equals round open bracket A2, 1 closed bracket. A2 contains the number. 1 represents the number of digits to which you want to round the number. Press enter button. Rounded to 1 decimal place. After decimal point, numbers are 6, 7, 8, 9. In the output value, 6 became 7 because second value is 7, which is more than 5. Round to 2 decimals. The formula is equals round open bracket A2, 2 closed bracket. Press enter. Rounded to 2 decimal places. After decimal, numbers are 6, 7, 8, 9. In the output value, 7 became 8 because third value is 8, which is more than 5. Round to 3 decimal places. Equals round open bracket A2, 3 closed bracket. Press enter. Rounded to 3 decimal places. After decimal, numbers are 6, 7, 8, 9. In the output value, 8 became 9 because fourth value is 9, which is more than 5. The number 35482.5 contains 4 digits before decimal. Now we want to round the value not after decimal but before decimal. Round to nearest integer. The formula is equals round open bracket A2, 0 closed bracket. Press enter. Remove all decimals. Rounded to nearest integer. Let's see how to round to nearest multiples of 10. Equals round open bracket A2, -1 closed bracket. Press enter. Rounded to the nearest multiples of 10. The final output number is 35480. Round to the nearest multiples of 100. The formula is equals round open bracket A2, -2 closed bracket. Press enter. Rounded to the nearest multiples of 100. The output number is 35500. Round to nearest multiples of 1000. The formula is equals round open bracket A2, -3 closed bracket. Press enter. Rounded to the nearest multiples of 1000. The output number is 35000. Roundup function. The Excel roundup function returns a number rounded up to a given number of decimal places. It returns an approximate value, thereby making the numbers simpler to understand. Unlike standard rounding, where numbers less than 5 are rounded down, ROUNDUP rounds all numbers up. Number 2.6789. Let's see how to round up to one decimal. The formula is equals round up open bracket A2, 1 closed bracket. A2 represents the number. Press enter button. Round up to one decimal place. Round up to two decimal places. The formula is equals round up open bracket A2, 2 closed bracket. Press enter. Round up to two decimal places. Output number is 2.68. Round up to three decimal places. The formula is equals round up open bracket A2, 3 closed bracket. Press enter. Round up to three decimal places. Result 2.679. Number 35482.5. Let's see how to round up before decimal point. Round up to nearest whole number. The formula is equals round up open bracket A2, 0 closed bracket. Press enter. Round up to nearest whole number. Result 35483. Round up to nearest 10. The formula is equals round up open bracket A2, -1 closed bracket. Press enter. Round up to nearest 10. Result 35490. Round up to nearest 100. The formula is equals round up open bracket A2, -2 closed bracket. Press enter. Round up to the nearest 100. Result 35500. Round up to nearest 1000. The formula is equals round up A2, -3 closed bracket. Press enter. Round up to nearest 1000. Result 36,000. Round down function. The Excel round down function returns a number rounded down to a given number of places. Round down function rounds all numbers down. Number 2.6789. Number contains 4 digits after decimal. Let's see how to round down to one decimal. The formula is equals round down open bracket A2, 1 closed bracket. Here A2 represents the number 2.6789. 1 represents the number digit. Press enter button. Rounded down to one decimal place. Result 2.6. Rounded down to two decimal places. The formula is equals round down open bracket A2, 2 closed bracket. Press enter. Rounded down to two decimal places. The output number is 2.67. Rounded down to three decimal places. The formula is equals round down open bracket A2, 3 closed bracket. Press enter. Rounded down to 3 decimal places. The output number is 2.678. Number 35482.5. The number contains 5 digits before decimal. Let's see how to round down the values to the left side of the decimal point. Use 0 or negative number for num digits. Round down to nearest 1. Formula equals round down open bracket a2 comma 0 closed bracket. Remove all numbers after decimal. Rounded down to nearest whole number. The output number is 35482. Round down to nearest 10. The formula is equals round down open bracket a2 comma minus 1 closed bracket. Press enter. Rounded down to nearest 10. The output number is 35480. Round down to nearest 100. The formula is round down open bracket a2 comma minus 2 closed bracket. Press enter. Rounded down to nearest 100. The output number is 35400. Round down to nearest 1000. The formula is equals round down open bracket a2 comma minus 3 closed bracket. Press enter. Rounded down to nearest 1000. The output number is 35,000. Like, share, subscribe Computer Codeword channel. Click the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.